What are you doing?
What? What? I'm just peeking. I think there's some goodies.
Thank you. So what's with this crazy side hustle you've been hearing about? Well, the concept is simple. Step 1, buy a pallet of Amazon returns. Step 2, resell the items on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. Step 3, make a profit. We've never lost money and we always have a blast. So let's see what we get this time. We accidentally picked up another pallet today. A little bit addicted, but I saw this DeWalt shop vac on top and I thought maybe there's some other DeWalt stuff underneath. So we're gonna find out. Let's go. Let's open it and make sure it's in decent shape, huh?
All right.
Definitely been opened. So it could be used, could not, but
looks good.
Looks unused so far.
Kinda.
Wow. Only way to find out though.
Look. Hey.
Hey, unused. Brand new white filter. Look at that. Sweet. So
just a bad box.
So we paid $550 for this pallet, and this is a what? $125 item.
Yep.
Brand new, highly desirable. So that right there is going to pay for a quarter of our pallet. Not bad. All right. Just has a little damaged box.
So we typically expect to get about 40 to 50% of retail value for items. This one we might get a little more because it's such a desirable item and a good name brand. So hopefully we can get 70 or 80 bucks for this. It retails at about 120.
All right, sweet. It's looking good.
Yep, that would be a good Facebook Marketplace one for sure. Let's keep going.
Hand a few things down to you.
Okay, this is a pretty tall medium.
There we go.
All right, so we get all of our pallets from Grand Rapids Pallet Liquidation. If you're in the area, we highly recommend checking them out. They got awesome stuff. They have all different kinds of stuff. They have Target, Wayfair.
We highly recommend picking out pallets in person. You can at least touch and feel and see what you're getting. Sometimes people order them online and get scammed, so we highly recommend doing it in person.
Yeah, so we typically try to pick pallets that we can see 1 or 2 high ticket items that hopefully will pay for part of our pallet, which is why we got the one with the DeWalt, because we're hoping that there might be more DeWalt stuff inside this Amazon medium.
All right, let's go.
This one is a balance bike. I'm not sure, these range in price. But these are like the bikes for toddlers without pedals, so that they can learn how to ride a bike.
Ruby
these are pretty cool.
Needs to learn to ride a bike. She's 4, so
that looks pretty cool.
There's no wear on the tires, so it's brand new. So
yep, that looks like a good one.
Are there, that's a good one.
This says fragile on it. Looks like a mirror maybe. We've gotten lots of broken mirrors before, so if it's not broken, I will be shocked.
Hey.
Hey!
Look at this.
That's a pretty one.
An unbroken mirror, that is a miracle.
That never happens.
Seriously, so brand new.
Oh, it's pretty.
Might have some value too. It looks pretty stylish.
Yeah, real cool. Okay. I'm feeling good. It's a good one. We weren't even gonna buy a pallet today. We were just gonna go look, see what kind of furniture he had, and we saw this one and we were like, gotta do it.
This is what most mirrors are like.
No, careful, maybe it's just screws.
No, it's broken.
Okay, I see that it's...
Yeah, this one's broken. She didn't believe me until we opened it, but it's broken.
Check. It could have been screws rattling around.
Yeah, so most mirrors are broken like that. We're gonna have to cut this box open pretty soon. I see some goodies up here, guys. I'm gonna hand them down to you.
All right. Nespresso. I don't know why, but these are often found in pallets, but
Got 2 of them here.
Oh.
Wow.
Looks pretty good. These are usually between $150 and $200 items.
All right, so these ones are unopened, brand new, which is really good as well. All the original packaging is kind of right there. It's all together.
And now that it's Christmas time coming up, I think that like a lot of this stuff will be good on eBay for Christmas shopping. People are hoping to get good deals on things. So this might sell better this time of year than it would have like in the summer. So I'm hoping maybe we can get at least 50% retail on these, but typically I wouldn't be able to, but I'm hoping this time of year we can.
Yeah, we might list them for what, like 80 or 100 bucks maybe?
Yep.
This is exciting, guys.
What's in there?
What we got?
Tree company. Okay, okay.
I'm gonna start with that so it doesn't fall down on us here.
Okay.
Christmas tree?
A tree.
Gonna open it and make sure.
Sure.
All right.
Also good for this time of year. Has lights on it, so that makes it a little more valuable.
We just bought one of these actually for our daughter Ruby. She wanted one in her bedroom, so
yeah,
it'll
this
sell.
Looks like maybe a 3 to 4 foot one.
There you go.
Once you get it all up. What's this?
I don't know.
Fisher Price Sit Me Up floor seat. So this is like a baby item, which sells pretty well on Marketplace. These don't sell for a lot, but every $20 matters, you know? Oh, this is like perfect, new in package, like literally never been opened. Like
Floor seat. There you go.
not even punctured. So that guy is perfect.
I know it. I think I just saw it's inside this one. We'll open it quick. This is the kind of stuff you get on pallets sometimes too. It's not all treasures. This
What is it? Oh, what?
of paper bags.
But that's kind of sweet.
Gift bags for life, for baby showers, weddings, etc.
But this stuff is expensive. Like if you have a store, that's more than you think. And there's a lot here.
True.
Like
We have a little
lot.
boutique we could open and have those.
maybe
so
I'll
someone
start
might
a
buy those.
store.
I mean, I would have no idea what that's worth, would you?
Not really, but probably more than you think.
Yeah, that would be maybe surprising to look up and see actually how much that's worth. You know, if there's 250 bags there.
Yeah. What do we got?
Oh, we get a lot of these on pallets too, actually.
What is it?
Camping chair.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, this one, we'll have to look it up and show you, but it has like a headrest on it.
Yeah, that looks
So-
nice. All right, we got 2 of these air purifiers. Got it.
All right, air purifier number 1 and air purifier number 2 have the original tape on them, have not been opened. So, sweet. We have had really good luck selling air purifiers, although these are an interesting brand, Tautronics, so maybe like a cheaper Chinese brand, but these sell really good and they're usually expensive. So we kind of did a little bit of research on these. They're hard to track down. Walmart's selling them for 75 bucks. So that's a little cheaper for an air purifier, but we got 2 of them brand new.
Yeah.
So
It looks like this particular company made a newer model, and that's probably why these got shipped off. So these might not be returns. They're probably just like, they don't want to sell their older model.
this one is heavy. Ugh.
Trampoline.
Ugh. Kids trampoline, still with the original plastic straps on it, so unopened. So
Just a
I'm
bad box.
assuming all the parts are there. Yep, just a bad box.
So we just looked up this trampoline, and it retails on Amazon for $130.
Sweet.
Pretty
so
good.
that's awesome. Another Christmas gift option.
Yeah, that's true. A lot of these are good time of year for this stuff for Christmas.
Another Nespresso.
All right.
Another really good looking package.
Yep.
All
Sweet.
right.
It's a little lighter. It's got like little food pictures on it.
It looks like
Oh, a heat lamp? Heat light thing? Oh no. What is it?
some kind of trough. If you can let us know what this is, guys, that would be helpful.
You can't put food in there. There's holes in it. You do this one.
Unopened, just says made in China, and that's all it says. So we're gonna figure out. Whoa.
I don't know. What is it?
It's kind of smelly. It's brand new. No, it smells like the factory. Whoa.
What is it? Like a mattress?
Looks like a
Or like a foam?
psychedelic mattress pad.
That's totally what it is. It's like a mattress.
It's a
Like for sleeping on the floor or something.
it's a king.
Whoa, cool.
Yep. Definitely smells
Chemically.
chemically. Some smaller stuff down to you.
Whoa. Zaka bag.
Here, another one. What is it? Shopping bag?
No, Zaka.
Zaka.
Oh yeah, it's probably like an IKEA bag, I bet. Like one of those big, like recyclable. Totally, those are sweet.
This is super heavy.
Oh, what is it?
Sealed up shut.
Oh no.
And I know it's new because you would never be able to get that back inside because it's a inflatable pool.
Whoa.
143 inches. What's that? That's like a 10-foot pool.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good.
I would be personally hesitant to buy an inflatable pool off Marketplace because I would assume that there was a hole in it or something.
But it's brand new. You can.
I know,
yeah.
but we'll see.
This. Let's take a picture of it because
Okay.
I'm not sure. I saw. Yeah.
Professional salon.
Yeah. Sarah's gonna take a picture of that because.
Well, I'm gonna scan this barcode with my
yeah.
Amazon app.
Yep.
See if we can figure out what this is. Okay. Oh, cool. It's one of those like hair dryer things. 145 bucks.
Well,
So you
sweet.
like sit under and it dries your hair.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
That's kind of random, but
Oh yeah,
pretty cool.
still in plastic. Well, we can see, we've been fooled before though. Stuff's been in plastic and it's been used. So we're gonna have to do some more research on that one. Figure it out, but it appears to be unused.
Yeah.
I'll show you a picture. Ooh.
That's probably a good eBay item because it's kind of random. I'm not sure someone in my area would necessarily, or not a lot of people. It doesn't apply to a lot of people, so this is probably a good eBay item.
Where someone will search it specifically.
Yeah. And be like, oh, that's perfect. That's what I need. Where a marketplace, yeah, it's a little bit smaller range of people it's going to. So, another mirror.
Another mirror. It's a giant mirror.
What do you think? Is it broken?
It's an electronic mirror, maybe of some sort.
Ooh, like a lit mirror, lighted.
Lidded.
Lidded.
All right. Oh boy, we're going for it.
Oh no, careful.
I'm nervous.
I know, this is probably not the best way to open it.
Hey, not broken.
Babe, we're about to break it, I feel like.
Not broken. It's got like an LED light around it. So.
Let me see. Cool.
Brand new, except we opened it now, so it's open box now.
I don't know how we're gonna get that back, so I don't think we are.
That's gonna be probably Facebook Marketplace as well now because we opened it.
Oh no, we're
But
ruining all the
We had
packaging.
a 6-foot mirror before. We thought it was brand new. We sold it on eBay, went to ship it out, and checked one more time, and it was shattered. So you gotta check mirrors.
Yes.
All right. Let's. I guess we're taking the packaging off.
Yeah,
Oh boy.
that was
Making a
rough.
mess. Okay.
Whoa, that is pretty funky looking.
Yeah. Some photo gear,
Ooh,
I think.
yep. Oh, it's like a photo backdrop, like a school photo backdrop, I think. Like,
Really?
look at the colors.
All right, we gotta open it. Let's see.
For those of you who don't know, Jamie and I used to be full-time wedding photographers for about 10 years. So this is
see here.
flashbacks. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, it's a backdrop.
It's a backdrop.
There you go.
It's like blue jean material.
And there's the other side too.
Ooh.
There we go.
A little old school, but let's show you how you fold this up here.
Uh-oh.
You gotta twist it.
There we go.
You got it?
Yep.
Are you
Perfect.
impressed? Come
Sweet.
on. See some more goodies?
Yeah, we got a fancy looking toaster oven, I believe. Gotta open it though to check it, right?
Okay.
Is that a toaster oven?
Air fryer. Whoa, it's heavy.
Convection oven.
Air fryer, toaster oven.
Let's see.
I don't know, it might be used.
Doesn't look used.
Well, maybe not.
Maybe.
No, it's new.
An open box product, we'll want to make sure to plug it in, make sure it works, but you can see.
Cook your Thanksgiving
Pretty
turkey
nice.
in there.
Yeah. Convection, oh, roaster with rotisserie. So you can do rotisserie chicken.
Sweet.
Pretty cool. That's
Yep.
probably, like Sarah said, maybe an eBay item as well because it's kind of niche, kind of specific.
So
Knock
far,
off.
I think we only have one broken item, right?
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
We're doing pretty good. All right, we got some fried noodles.
Ooh,
This is,
it's like the knockoff ramen. That's
yeah, I didn't know they made that. Hey, it's not expired. February 2023. That's pretty funny. Oh, this is like a cool green table.
oh, yeah. I'll have to look it up and show a picture. Yeah.
Like for, like a little bistro table for your patio. Cute.
Sweet.
Not the best time of year for that around here, but
Yes.
still cool.
Same with the pool. The
Yeah.
inflatable pool. We have a couple paddle boards from our last pallet.
Yes.
Some of that might have to wait or be line to ship. So. Oh, what?
Oh, it's a calendar.
I'm gonna put this up in the garage.
Nice.
Giant calendar.
Buy pallet.
Buy pallet. Buy pallet.
Sell stuff.
It's 2022, so at least it's not like 2014.
Babe, that's bad.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
If it's
That's bad.
2022, that year's already gone.
That's true.
You're like, oh, good thing it's still relevant. No. It's almost over.
My bad. My bad. It's heavy.
Can I hold it? Oh. Oh, okay. Electronic personal safe, it says. Oh, it's all bent. Looks like it was dropped for sure.
Maybe.
Oh,
dented.
Oh my word!
Oh.
What happened to it?
Maybe someone broke into it and then
Returned it.
returned it. Or like it didn't do its job, so they returned it. Let's see.
They tried to see if they could smash it.
Oh yeah, they tested it.
No, they didn't. No one would do that.
Doesn't look like a very strong safe here.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this brand.
Very dented.
Yeah.
Sounds like something's in there.
The key, I'm sure.
There we go.
This looks like new in
Dehumidifier?
packaging.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah. Okay.
Wow, that's the heaviest dehumidifier I've ever felt. That might
Yeah.
be like a really fancy one because it's so heavy.
Yeah, I have to say I'm a little disappointed in the lack of brand name products in this one. So far, just the DeWalt.
Yeah.
So a lot of it's Chinese stuff, but it still sells. It's just not quite as in demand.
Yeah.
So
Not as reliable, so people don't trust it as much.
yeah, so we
rightfully
might have
so.
a higher MSRP, but maybe not as much sellable stuff. We'll have to see.
Well, it'll
But it's
sell.
heavy,
It just
though.
might not sell for as high
Yeah.
if it's not name brand because people don't know if they can trust it. So I get it. I would be that
Although
way.
the name brand here, we got a high chair.
Nice.
People always need those.
Slim
Graco.
snacker.
Yep. So
Oh, we have that high chair.
yeah, we have this one. That's good.
It's foldable. We like it.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, what's this guy? Dr. Heater. Ooh, infrared. I remember in the early 2000s when that was like all the rage to get like the infrared heaters.
Oh yeah, because they're not as dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they were like hundreds and hundreds of dollars back in the day. They were like so expensive.
Unopened.
Nice, maybe.
Well,
Looks unopened, but somebody could have kind of repackaged it. So you gotta be careful with
yeah,
that.
we may have to test that still, but still infrared heater. That's
Ooh, I wish I could sit by it right now.
probably, is that $100 you think?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Little boogie board.
Nice. You guys
Not
see
very
that?
seasonal, but kids hockey costume for Halloween. If you want
Whoa.
You don't
Oh,
have
it's
to be
just a
goalie.
costume? That's funny. Okay.
I don't know what that is. Something.
This is a rug pad, I bet. Oh wait, rose basket. What is this?
Does it have that design on it there?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, that's just the.
No, it's a design.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're gonna look it up. It's like a
50 foot, 20 bucks.
$20 rug.
Yep.
Someone might think it's cute.
It's for a nursery, it says.
You guys are gonna like this one. It's a big old box with a bag of dirt inside. You do have some plants to repot.
Yes,
so.
I do. I will use it.
And that's probably, it's at Lowe's, it's like $20 for this, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like
Miracle
the Miracle
Grow.
Grow brand.
Yeah,
Bag of dirt in our pallet.
bag of dirt.
That's the first.
If you open as many boxes as we do, it's important to have a box cutter that works well. Check out the description below for our favorite box cutter.
Oh, this is a baby gate. I have sold this, my own baby gate, really fast actually before, so.
White. Cool.
Yeah, folding bed.
Folding bed.
Interesting. Okay.
Like a stowaway bed for
Yeah, like a cot.
a guest or something.
A cot.
Rip.
What is that?
Bag
Bag?
with another bag.
Bag of stuff?
Something leather feeling. It's a
What
car
is
seat cover
this?
for your
Pink?
94
dogs?
Kia.
No, stop.
Yeah, to wrap your seats in.
No, it's to. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's for your car.
Sweet. It's
Pink.
pink.
Pink pleather.
Okay, but if I was 16 or
True.
20 even,
True, first car.
I
yeah.
would be like, sweet. My car is pink on the inside.
All right, I want to open this. It's a big bed. You get the idea. It's heavy.
Okay.
Might be worth a lot, might not be.
All right.
Well, I would say successful pallet. We got 3 Nespressos and the DeWalt.
Yeah, a lot of other
Yeah.
good $50 items, I think. So,
I was hoping to be able to keep the DeWalt for myself. I don't know if I'm going to be able to now, though. To make a profit, we might have to sell it.
yes, we'll see.
So we'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.